Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. This integration is essential for tracking your website's traffic and understanding your visitor behavior, giving you valuable insights into how people interact with your site. First, you'll want to navigate to GoDaddy.com in your web browser. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your GoDaddy services. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage all aspects of your website. Your website settings page will now open up in front of you. On this page, you need to locate the Edit Website button, which you'll find positioned on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will launch your GoDaddy website editor, the tool you use to make changes and customizations to your site. Now we're getting to the heart of the process. To add Google Analytics to your website, the steps are actually pretty straightforward. Look at the top right part of your screen and click on the Settings menu. This menu contains all the configuration options for your website. Once you're in the settings, scroll down through the various options until you find the Google Analytics section. When you spot it, click on it to expand this area. You'll now see a field provided specifically for your Google Analytics information. This is where you'll add your measurement ID or tracking ID depending on which version of Google Analytics you're using. Simply paste your ID into this field. Once you've added your ID, you'll notice that a Publish button appears on your screen. Click on this Publish button to finalize the process and activate Google Analytics tracking on your website. This step ensures that your website starts collecting valuable data about your visitors immediately. And there you have it. Your GoDaddy website is now connected to Google Analytics and will begin tracking visitor data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.